Now students, we are going to do exercise 13.2 of surface area and volume class 10. The first question is given. We have given a hemisphere whose radius is 1 centimeter and a cone is mounted on that whose height is 1 centimeter. Radius of this hemisphere and the cone is same. We have to find the volume. What is the formula for the volume? For hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and for the cone, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is the value of the radius? Radius is 1 centimeter for both r1, r2. Suppose this is r1, this is r2. Radius is 1 centimeter, height is 1 centimeter, and we have to find the volume in terms of pi. Now 2 by 3 into pi into 1 cube plus 1 by 3 into pi into 1 square into 1, that is equal to 2 by 3 pi, 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 3, and when we take LCM, that is equal to 2 pi plus pi is equal to 3 pi by 3, that is equal to pi centimeter cube is the volume. In the question number second, we have given a shape like this whose total height is 12 centimeter and cone height is 2 centimeter. There are two cones. Means if height of the cylinder we have to find, that is, let's suppose h2, h1 is the height of the cone, that is 2 centimeter. Total height is 12 minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 12 minus 4, that is 8 centimeter is the height of the cylinder. Now we have to find the volume. Now what is the radius? Radius is 3 by 2 centimeter, means diameter is 3 centimeter. What is the formula for the volume? For cylinder, that is equal to pi r square r1 h1, and for cone, two cones are there, 1 by 3 pi r2 square h2. Now let us take pi common. What is r? R is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. What is h? H is 8 plus 2 into 1 by 3. What is r? 3 by 2, 3 by 2. What is h? That is 2. Now do the cuttings. 4, 2. 3 3 ja 9, 2 ja 18. That is 18 plus 2 3 ja 6 or 3. That is equal to 21 pi. Now 21 into 22 by 7, that is 366 centimeter cube. In third question, we have given a rasgulla shape like this, two hemispherical ends whose total length is 5 centimeter and diameter is 2.8 centimeter. Means radius is 1.4 centimeter, 1.4 centimeter. What is the height of the cylinder in between the hemisphere? That is 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4, that is equal to 5 minus 2.8, that is equal to 2.2 centimeter height of the cylinder. Okay. Now we have to find the volume. For volume, what is the formula for the cylinder? Pi r square h plus, what is for hemisphere? Two hemispheres are there, 2 by 3 pi r cube. As you can see, radius is same for both. Pi, what is r? That is 14 by 10. What this is for 1.4, I have written 14 by 10. 14 by 10. What is h? H is 22 by 10. 2 into 2 by 3, 22 by 7, 14 by 10, 14 by 10, 14 by 10. Now do the cuttings. That is equal to 2. 22 by 7, that is equal to 2. Now when I calculate 22 2 ja 44, 44 14 ja, when I calculate this comes 13552 by 1000, and this comes 11498 divided by 1000, and that is equal to 13.552 plus 11492, that is equal to 25.05 centimeter cube. Now this is for one rasgulla, one time volume of this shape. We have to find volume of 45 such rasgullas, means 25.05 into 45, that is equal to 1127.25 centimeter cube. Okay. Now it has 30% syrup, 30% of 1127.25 means 30 upon 100 into 1127.25. Now make the cuttings. What we get, 338.17 centimeter cube is the total volume, or what we can take, 338 centimeter cube. Now we have given a cuboidal block in which dimensions is like this: length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, and height is 3.5 centimeter. What is the volume of cuboid? What is the volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height, 15 into 10 into 3.5. I can write it 35 upon 10 and 5 to 5 centimeter cube. We have 4 cone-like shapes inside this hollowed out. What is the dimension for the cone? That is equal to height is 1.4, and what is the radius? Radius is 0.5 centimeter. Now, if I hollowed out these 4 cones, what is the remaining solid area? Now, volume of cone we have to find. That is equal to 4 into 1 by 3 pi r square 5 by 10 h, that is 14 by 10. Now do the calculations. We get 2, that is equal to 4400 upon 3000. What I get? That is 1.47. That is the volume of the cone. Now remaining volume, how much? That is equal to volume of the cuboid, 525 minus 1.47 centimeter cube, that is 523.53 centimeter cube. In this question we have an inverted cone in which water is filled. We have to put ball in this of sphere like shape whose radius is 0.5. When we put sphere or ball in this, it displaces 1 by 4 volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. R1 h1 is the volume of the cone, and we have to find how many balls we have put in this. 4 by 3 pi r2 cube means we have to put these sphere like balls in this inverted cone so that it displaces 1 by 4th of the volume of the cone. Now do the calculation. Pi cut by pi, 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 12. What is R1 value? That is 5 into 5 into what is H? 8, and into 4 by 3. What is R2 value? That is 5 by 10, 5 by 10, 5 by 10. Now I take this to the left hand side. It will be reciprocal here. 3 into 10 into 10 into 10, 5 into 5 into 5 into 4. What is n? Now do the calculations. 5 cut by 5, this cut by 2, and this 4, this 2, this. Now what is n? N is 100 balls. Means 100 balls has displayed 1/4 of the volume of the